The G60S Pro Rechargeable Mini Bluetooth Keyboard is a versatile and convenient tool for anyone looking to enhance their device control experience. This mini keyboard stands out with its compact design, making it perfect for use with a variety of devices such as Nvidia Shield, PCs, projectors, Android TV boxes, and more. The inclusion of both Bluetooth 5.0 and 2.4 GHz RF connections ensures a stable and reliable connection, allowing you to switch between devices seamlessly with the included USB receiver. One of the key benefits of the G60S Pro is its rechargeable battery. This feature not only saves you money on batteries, but also reduces environmental waste. The USB-C charging capability means you can quickly recharge the keyboard with the included cable, ensuring you're always ready to go. The backlit design is another excellent feature, especially for those who often find themselves using their devices in low light environments. The LED backlighting makes it easy to see and use the keyboard in the dark. The voice search feature is particularly useful thanks to the built-in high-fidelity microphone. While it doesn't work across all apps like Alexa Voice Remote, it is effective for built-in voice input search boxes and apps that support Google Assistant. This makes it easy to input words or chat with friends without needing to type. In conclusion, the G60S Pro Rechargeable Mini Bluetooth Keyboard offers a great mix of convenience, functionality, and environmental benefits. Its rechargeable battery, backlit keys, and responsive touchpad make it a solid choice for those looking to enhance their device control experience.